Good evening, Doc, and good evening, classmates. My topic for our subject is all about artificial intelligence, ethical and legal issues. Okay, first we have an introduction here. Let's first define what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science dedicated to creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Instead of just following rigid, pre-written, pre-written rules, AI systems analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions or predictions. Artificial intelligence is also rapidly transforming industries, education, governance, and everyday life. From chatbots and facial recognition systems to predictive analytics and automated decision making. AI also offers efficiency and innovation. However, these advancements also bring significant ethical and legal challenges. Ethical issues arise when AI systems affect fairness, privacy, accountability, and human rights. Legal issues involve compliance with laws, regulations, and policies governing the use of data and AI technologies. In the Philippines, the increasing adoption of AI calls for careful consideration of these concerns to ensure responsible and inclusive development. For our learning objectives, we have the following. So at the end of this presentation, you should be able to define ethical and legal issues related to AI, explain key ethical principles such as fairness, accountability, transparency, and privacy. Identify relevant Philippine laws governing AI and data use. Analyze real-life cases of AI misuse or ethical concerns in the Philippine context. Then last one is propose responsible practices in AI development and use. For our first topic, we have the ethical issues on artificial intelligence, and this one concerns on what is morally right or wrong when developing and using AI systems. Under these ethical issues are the following. We have bias and fairness, privacy and protection, transparency or black box problem, accountability, and job displacements. Okay, let's discuss each category. Under the bias and fairness, AI systems learn from data. Then if the data is biased, the AI may produce unfair outcomes. For the examples, some automated hiring systems used by companies may favor applicants from certain schools or backgrounds due to biased historical hiring data. Facial recognition technologies have been criticized globally and locally for inaccuracies, especially among people with darker skin tones, which can affect Filipinos in the law enforcement or surveillance system. Now, in the discussions of AI in Philippine law enforcement, concerns were raised about facial recognition systems used in public surveillance, which may misidentify individuals and disproportionately affect marginalized groups. Under the privacy and data protection, AI often requires massive amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy violations. Examples we have during the COVID-19 pandemic, contact tracing apps collected personal information such as location and health status. Improper handling of such data could lead to breaches or misuse. Now, for the Data Privacy Act of 2012, Republic Act number 10173 protects personal data and mandates proper collection, storage, and use. Under the transparency or black box problem, many AI systems operate as black boxes, meaning users do not understand how decisions are made. For example, a loan approval AI systems denies an applicant but cannot clearly explain why. In the Philippine banking sector, such a lack of transparency would result in customer complaints and loss of trust. For the accountability, who will be responsible when AI makes a mistake? For example, if an AI-powered medical diagnosis tool gives incorrect results, who will be liable? Is it the hospital, the developer, or the user? As AI adoption increases in industries like healthcare and finance, determining accountability remains a gray area due to limited AI-specific laws. Then last, under the ethical issue, we have job displacement. Automation through AI may replace human workers. For example, AI chatbots in BPO or business process outsourcing, companies may reduce the need for customer service agents. Since the Philippines is a global leader in BPO, automation poses significant employment risk. Okay, let's now proceed with legal issues in artificial intelligence. Legal issues involve compliance with laws governing AI usage, and these are the following. We have data privacy laws, cybercrime law, intellectual property issues, regulation of AI government use, and misinformation and deep fakes. Under the privacy laws, we have the Data Privacy Act of 2012 or the RA 10173. This law regulates collection, processing, and storage of personal data, and it is enforced by the National Privacy Commission or NPC. In Philippine cases, several organizations have been penalized by the NPC for data breaches, including unauthorized disclosure of personal information. Like, for example, data leaks involving personal data in government and private databases raised concerns on AI-driven data handling systems. Under the cybercrime law, we have the Republic Act 10175 or Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. This one addresses the online offenses such as hacking, identifying theft, and cyber fraud. AI can be used in deepfakes or automated scams. AI-generated fake messages or identities can deceive citizens. In cases of AI-assisted scams, the following are impersonation using synthesized voices or chatbots. This one emerged or started to emerge targeting Filipino users. Next, we have also the intellectual property issues. AI can generate content such as art, text, and music. This raises questions about ownership. For example, if an AI tool generates artwork, who owns it? Is it the user, the developer, or the AI? In the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines or RA 8293, this one protects creators, but AI-generated works fall into a legal gray area. Next is the regulation of AI in government use. Government agencies in the Philippines are beginning to use AI for public services. For example, in traffic monitoring, AI is already using it for safety system. Another one is AI chatbots in government website. And then this one concerns without clear regulations. Misuse could lead to mass surveillance or abuse of power. For the misinformation and deepfakes, AI can generate realistic fake news, images, or also videos. For example, AI-generated content may be used during elections to spread misinformations. Deepfake videos of public figures could influence public opinion, and the impact here is it threatens democracy, trust, and public safety. And for our summary, artificial intelligence offers immense benefits, but also presents serious ethical and legal challenges. Okay? Key concerns includes the following: bias and unfair decision making, privacy violations, lack of transparency, accountability issues, and job displacement. Okay? So therefore, AI continues to influence society. Understanding its ethical and legal implications is essential. In the Philippines, proactive governance, public awareness, and responsible innovation are the key to ensuring that AI benefits everyone without compromising rights and values. And that's all for my report. Thank you very much for listening.